In this problem, we're going to see how row reduction and then, if necessary, column reduction is going to help us assign, in this case, a particular taxi to a call. We've got kilometres, taxi 1, taxi A, sorry, call 1, call 2, call 3. Now, it might appear pretty obvious that taxi B is going to take call 3 and taxi C, call 2, but we can work this out a little bit more mathematically. What we do, when we perform a row reduction, we look at the smallest numbers in each of the particular rows and we subtract those from the others. So if I do that, I end up with the following after a row reduction. So 33 take 15, 18. 19 take 15 is 4, and obviously 0, 0 and 0 for those ones. 25 take 7 is 18. 22 take 7 is going to be 15. And that gives us 19 and 9 in that instance. Now, we perform a test, and the test is, can I cover all my zeros with 3 lines as a minimum? Now, I can actually cover them with 2 lines, so only 2 lines to cross out cover. So I can't assign. I've actually got to take this through the next step, which is called a column reduction. Now, these two columns, the 4, 15, 0, 0, 0, 9, are already reduced. If I took 0 from it, doesn't make a difference. I'll have to get hold of the 18 and then perform a column reduction in the next step. So if I do that, that will then give us a 0, 0 and 1, and as before, 4, 15 and 0, 0, 0, 9. Now, I then perform my test to see if I can cover those zeros with 3 lines. And yes, I can. So in other words, the test works, so I'll state that. So 3 lines to cover the zeros, hence can assign. Now if I do that, you'll notice there'll be a couple of options. I'll just put in the taxis again. Taxi C obviously is going to take call 2. But I've got a choice. Taxi A could take call 1, or it could take call 3. In a similar way, taxi B could take call 1 or call 3. Now they can't take both calls, so I'll line up the 2 different scenarios here. What remains for me is to go back to the original data, and what I will find is that in this instance, this will add to 48 kilometres, or the second option, call 2, call 3, call 1, will also give me 48 kilometres as well. Take some time to check this before proceeding.